Welcome to Pursuit Rental, your premier provider of dumpster rental in Monroe, Louisiana. We understand the importance of effective waste management for both residential and commercial projects. Whether undertaking a home renovation, managing a significant cleanup, or overseeing a commercial construction job, we offer tailored solutions to meet your needs. Our extensive range of dumpster sizes ensures you find the perfect fit for your project. Pursuit Rental accommodates all waste management needs, from smaller containers for home cleanouts to more comprehensive options for significant construction projects. When you choose Pursuit Rental, you can be assured that you are getting the right size for your specific requirements, helping you avoid unnecessary costs. We know that timely delivery and pickup are critical to maintaining the flow of your project. Our efficient scheduling system guarantees that your dumpster arrives precisely when you need it and is picked up promptly upon completion of your project. For all your dumpster rental needs in Monroe, Louisiana, look no further than Pursuit Rental. Contact us at 318-366-8800 or visit our website at www.pursuitrentals.com. Dumpster Rental Monroe, LA, to learn more about our services and get started. With Pursuit Rental, you can trust that your waste management is in capable hands.